Well, quick Fairlane update. I said I'd buy a new rebuild kit for the carburetor. I didn't. I bought a new carburetor. Underneath there is a Holley 2300 500 CFM 2-barrel, of course, which runs. Just neutral and yep, sounds pretty good. And also I fixed my trunk lock, so that works now. I don't have that same old little piece. I can't find it right now, but now I have a key and it unlocks. See the trunk latch up there? It's a homemade one, so it's not original. I couldn't find an original one, but well, my trunk works. Key out. I have a key. As you can hear, it's running. It's not running perfect. Timing needs some adjustments, and I'm guessing maybe the carb needs some adjustments as well. I'll do that all later. But, well, yeah, I got the throttle in. I had to do a little bit of work on both the pedal and, well, this pedal to make it fit, but as you can see here, it's welded already from some previous owner. That's the original one is this part, and this part's from something else. That's why it didn't fit. So, yep. And another news about it: the brakes aren't sufficient at all. I drove it up on these ramps, and well, they weren't strong enough to hold the car with the brake on, the handbrake on. It wouldn't hold up, just rolled back down. So they're pretty weak. But then I guess as a treat for you, I could park the phone back here and rev it a bit. That's basically all for now. I'll be back with more Fairlane news later, and probably some Aspen news as well. I haven't told you this, but it's running. I've used it for several weeks. Running great. And yeah, I'll probably make a video on that one too pretty soon, if not later today. So well, that's all for now.